Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity, I'm going to show you something useful and simple. As you can see here, 6 pages available. In this video, you're going to learn that how you can delete pages with Affinity. To delete pages, we need to click on Document menu. With pages, you can find delete. Let's click at that. So now I can delete from pages to the number of pages. Now I want to delete 3 pages from page 1. So let's click on OK. To delete another pages, we need to click on delete, and from 1 to number of pages, I want to delete 2 pages, which is starting from page 1, and now I'm going to click on OK. So now only 1 pages right here. I can control plus to zoom in. So this is how we can delete pages with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. Take care and goodbye.